If your mobile battery drains too much and you have to charge your mobile phone at least 2 in a day or 3 in a day, that time this video solves your this problem. Most probably the problem has happened for the Redmi users right nowadays. Because of nowadays Redmi has launched some mobile phone where battery drains are main problem. But in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can fix this problem for your Redmi phone, even though you can use this trick for your other mobile brands like the Samsung, Nokia, but you have to just find out the settings option. Maybe it will be in a different way, but you can solve it too. So with that, before starting my this video, that is a request guys, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please guys subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my this video with me. So first of all, here I'm showing you some general settings which you will get in other mobile phone except iPhone. That means you will get it even though in the Samsung, even though in the Poco or Redmi, Realme, even the other brands. So with that, first of all you have to go to in the settings, and from your settings you have to search here like the battery. Here when I will search here the battery, we will get an option called the battery optimization. First of all, you have to go on this option, and from here you have to go to in the battery optimization. Once you are here, you can see some settings from here. You have to optimize all those apps one by one. Even though you can make it optimized for all by clicking on this all, as I'm making the video, so I don't want to spoil my time. So I'm just showing you a little bit things so that you can just say it from here. Suppose I'm just clicking on this and click on this optimize and click on the done. It will optimize your these apps one by one generally. And then the next thing, that is the device admin apps. Here from this is the device. If you see any app is on here, you have to make it off. Now here from we are just going out, and here from we just click on this battery, and here I can see my battery is all okay from here. Now from here click on this addition of features from here and click on this turn off mobile data when device is locked. That time here you can turn it off in 5 minutes so that your battery won't drain when you are in a off mode. That means your mobile is off but your network is always on. Sometimes what happens, that is your mobile data is off, but whenever you are in a sleeping mode too, that time also your data is on and it's consuming in data, even though it also consuming your charge. But in some special cases like you're a freelancer or you have some online activities there, so in this case you have to have your mobile data on every time. In this case that may be different for you. Now click on this clear cache when device is locked. That time it will also happen good thing for you. When your device will be in lock mode or sleeping mode, that time it will clear your cache, even though you can make it never so that it won't work. But in my case I keep it because I never want to make too many cache in my mobile phone so that I can get more spaces from here. And now I will show you some different tricks that will work for all of your mobile phone, and these are basic tricks. So for that, what of them? So first of all you have to go to the settings again of your mobile phone, and from here you have to go to in the theme or display. Maybe it may be in your display or in maybe your theme or whatever. So from here you have to select the dark mode of your mobile phone. As I don't like the dark mode for myself, so I just keep it as a light mode, even though I can make it dark mode too. But dark mode used to drain too low battery than the light mode. The display or the wallpaper option, the gallery option, maybe it may be your wallpaper option, it may be your gallery option, whatever. So here from I used to suggest you don't use too many glassy things in your wallpaper which has too many colors or which used to take too many lights. That will also save your battery. Suppose in this case used to use any type of simple wallpapers which has less color and less contrast so that it won't take too many charges from you. So this will be another trick. So here guys, these are the things by which you can save your battery in some level, so that it will not drain too many and you needn't to charge your battery for more than 2 or 3 times in a day, even though it's fair enough if you charge your battery for one in a day and it will work on the at least 24 hours. So now guys, I hope you will also try it in your phone to check it does it works or not. But in my case, it works because I have just charged my mobile at 95% almost 2 hours ago, and now it's 89%. That's fair enough because I have already run my mobile phone for at least half an hour and I'm just watching a YouTube or Facebook, so that's why it's fair enough for me. Now guys, it's your turn. I hope this will be very interesting and very productive video for you where from you can get it. So guys, what about your feeling after making those settings? Does it works for you? If works, I request please give a like, and if not, you can dislike. It's your choice. Even though you can comment, even though you can share this video with your friends. So now guys, it's your turn. So I hope you will be well till my next video. So guys, hope for better in the next upcoming time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. See you soon.